If you need a daily ride to go from A to B and get back, the Greenbike Alpha Speed electric folding bike is a perfect choice. This stylish electric bike comes with a practical folding bike frame that is perfect for life in the city or in suburbs. This folding electric bike can easily be parked or stored in a tight space, so it is ideal for apartments or dormitories where space is tight. This folding lightweight electric bike has a 36-volt 250-watt brushless DC hub motor, which works very well on roads and loose surfaces. The Alpha Speed electric bike has a removable 10.6 amp-hour lithium battery power pack that has a single charge range of 35 miles, so you can use it all day. The Greenbike Alpha Speed features a thumb throttle and pedal assist directed by a speed sensor inside the motor. The bike also has a rear derailleur so you can control and ride it like an ordinary bike. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.